Hello and welcome to MTDCNC India. Today we are here at Delhi Machine Tool Expo and I'm standing in front of UCAM stall and I have with me Mr. Pradeep Kumar from NTK India Hydraulics Private Limited. Thank you sir, thank you for your time. Please tell us about your company sir.
Okay, sir, myself Pradeep Kumar, and I am working in NTK India Hydraulics Components Private Limited company. This company is situated in IMT Manesar, Gurgaon, Haryana. And our company, this is basically Italian-based company, and this is our first company launched by Italian guys in India. So, and this UCAM product we can use from last 20 years because I have total expertise in industrial automotive sector above 23 years. So my background is I'm electrical and MTech, my qualifications. So we are using from last 20 years this UCAM product in our BMC machines. So this the result overall the result and review is very good, and service support is very good.
So for what kind of applications you were using these rotary tables?
These we can use as on BMC machines, and BMC machine just like our MTB is Lokesh. So on Lokesh machine we are using this rotary table and manufacture the components of hydraulic parts and some automotive parts which is supplied to our NTK Italy company.
Fantastic. So sir, are you satisfied with the overall support from UCAM team?
Yes, definitely. When we launch a complete, there is a very good response from UCAM team, and they will resolve the issue within 24 to 48 hours.
Fantastic. That's why you have been using their products for the past 20 years, 2 decades. It's
Yes,
a long time.
definitely, sir. It's a long time and a very good experience with UCAM team.
Fantastic, sir. It was a pleasure meeting you. Thanks a lot for your feedback. Thank
Okay,
you.
sir. Thank you.